Okay, so on the last slide, I showed you some other search terms that you can do when you're narrowing down your search in Google. So we saw on a previous slide that you can add an operator. These are different operations that you can add to your search that will help sort of narrow down what you're looking for by either excluding intrusive results or websites you know you don't want to look at because you've already looked at those things, or file types. So we're going to go back to the nature theme that we're looking at, and I'm going to look up nature playgrounds. Okay. So there's a lot of stuff on nature playgrounds, but I want to focus my search on a specific file type. I'm going to do JPEG because I know I want to look at pictures of playgrounds. Okay, so I'm seeing that I get a lot of different really cool natural playscapes. It's going to spark a lot of really great ideas for things that we can add onto the playground, but I'm seeing a lot of results coming back for commons.wikimedia.org, and I've already looked at all of those. I don't really want to see any more of those, so I'm going to continue to refine my Google search, and I'm going to eliminate those sites from my results. So I'm going to keep Nature Playground, I'm going to keep file type JPEG, I'm going to add a space, I'm going to do a minus sites, colon, and I'm going to put the Wiki Commons, which of course I've already forgotten what it was that I was wanting to exclude. So commons.wikimedia.org. So minus site commons.wikimedia.org. Oh, apparently I'm going to spell org wrong. Okay. So there we go. Fix that. So now my search for nature playgrounds in general, I decided I wanted to narrow it down to a specific file type. I wanted to narrow it down to images. I just want to use this as sort of background research to spark my imagination, to get some ideas. And I was noticing I was getting a lot of really specific things, and apparently I did my thing wrong. So instead of actually eliminating it, I still am getting those results. So it just goes to show that you can't always, no matter how well you know how to Google, you can't always do it. So I'm going to go to a previous one that I did. Just click on it. Okay, I don't know what I did wrong in the last one, but it happens. I'd already done that search before, so I just went back to it in my browser history. And now if we go through this particular search results, you'll see that they are all sorts of JPEG search results. So they're all going to lead me to pictures, but they're not going to have anything from the commons.wikimedia.org. So that's how you can use all these different operators inside of your Google search, combining them together to create a more refined, more specific Google search that really gets at the heart of what you're intending